Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adinu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 61 to 65 from the Aqua Basic Science 2016 questions. After this video, you would have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in basic science. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this session will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 61. Parts of a screw thread include the following except A. Wedge, B. Pitch, C. Thread, D. Plane. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, for us to answer this question, we need to look at a screw thread and see its parts, then know which one of the options is not our correct answer. Let's check it out. So this is a screw thread. You can see the pitch, you can see the thread angle, you can see the wedges, but there is nothing as described here as a plane. So there's nothing related to a plane when you're talking about parts of a screw thread. So our correct answer would be plane. Let's check it out. Question 61, option D, plane, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 62. The following are waterborne diseases, except A. Dysentery, B. Diarrhea, C. Pneumonia, D. Cholera. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, talking about waterborne diseases are diseases gotten from water. So, which one of these options is not a waterborne disease? Let's check them out and see which one in particular. Dysentery is most often caused by Shigella bacteria or an amoeba. Dysentery is often spread through contaminated food or water. So dysentery is a waterborne disease. It is spread through contaminated food or water. Diarrhea. It is usually a symptom of an infection in the intestinal tract, which can be caused by a variety of bacteria, viral and parasitic organisms. Infection is spread through contaminated food or drinking water, or from person to person as a result of poor hygiene. So you can see I highlighted drinking water as well. So diarrhea is also a waterborne disease. Pneumonia is transmitted when germs from the body of someone with pneumonia spread to another person. This can happen in a variety of ways, including inhaling the infection. This can occur when the person with pneumonia coughs or sneezes and another person inhales the infected particles. So pneumonia is not a waterborne disease. So pneumonia would be our correct answer. Let's look at the next one. Cholera. The cholera bacteria is passed through feces. It is spread by eating or drinking food or water contaminated by the feces of an infected person. So cholera is also a waterborne disease. So our correct answer to this question, question 62, is pneumonia. Let's check it out. Question 62, option C, pneumonia, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 63. The theory that states that particles are always in motion is A. Dalton, B. Kinetic, C. Newton, D. Joule. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of the question, then analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, we're talking about the theory that states that particles are in constant motion. That theory that talks about particles was basically talking about matter. And it said matter contains particles which are in constant motion. And that theory is no other than the kinetic theory of matter, of which we also have the kinetic theory of gases. So the theory that states that particles are in constant motion or are always in motion is the kinetic theory. Let's check it out. Question 63, option B, kinetic, is our correct answer. And when we look at the meaning of kinetic, from kinetic energy, it means an energy in motion. So it's relatable to this theory. Kinetic has to do with something in motion. When you talk about kinetic. So the theory that states that particles are always in motion is kinetic. All right, let's look at the next question. Question 64. In a society where the sick people are many, such a society will experience dash in their economy: increase, decrease, static, equilibrium. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of the question. Then we analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, the question is saying in a society where sick people are many. So in a society where sick people are many, it means the workforce of the society will reduce. So when the workforce of a society reduces, it's going to affect the economy. In what way? In a decline way, in a decreasing way. Because one, the workforce will reduce, people are liable to die, people will be inactive, people will be quarantined, like kept in a safe place, and they will not be able to work. So such a society will experience dash in their economy. Such a society cannot experience a increase. Such a society won't experience increase because the workforce is badly affected. So there won't be increase. There will be no work, the economy won't grow, the economy will not increase. Option B, decrease. Yes, decrease is actually our correct answer because such a society will experience decrease in their economy. Option C, static. It won't be static, it will decrease because static means it is not going up, it is not coming down. That is not what's going to happen. There will be a reduction. Money won't flow because there is no work. People will not be earning and there will not be circulation of money. And final option, option D, equilibrium. It will not be a balanced economy. It will be a decreasing economy. Let's paint a scenario in this dispensation of the COVID-19. Okay, imagine where an economy is affected with COVID-19. Such an economy will be on the decrease and not on the increase. So our correct answer will be option B, decrease. Question 64, option B, decrease, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 65. From the diagram, the observable change in body size of over a period of time is referred to as dash change. A, growth. B, development. C, stature. D, environment. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of the question, and we analyze the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, the observable change in body size over a period of time is referred to as A, growth change, and that's our correct answer because growth is actually the increase in body size over a period of time. It is not development because development basically does not have to do with a physical or an observable change. It also entails mental and physiological change. So when you're talking about development, it has to do also with mental and physiological change. So it doesn't have to do with stature change nor environment change. So the correct answer to question 65 is option A, growth. So if you look at it, you can see there's an increase in height as a result of age. So it is growth. Let's check out the correct answer. Option A, growth, is our correct answer. All right, this is how far we can go in this video. I'm asking us to join our WhatsApp group using the link below so we can get updates on more videos to come and we can ask questions and comment on the previous videos we've seen. It was fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.